So we're at SORA Boru and they recently got their halal cert and we're excited to try out their food.
Yes.
Yeah, so for today we're going to be having Japanese food. All sorts of assortments of don, their so-called rice bowls.
Where were we?
Yeah, where were we? What do you think of anything of Japanese food?
All I think of is sashimi.
Sashimi, yeah.
Sashimi.
When it comes to Japanese food, I love soba, udon, sushi, sashimi, basically everything Japanese.
Okay, so here we have the 3 sashimi. We have the salmon, the swordfish, and the tuna.
Besides that, we have us some salmon shabu beef curry bowl, and this one, bara chirashi.
Yes.
This is what I would love to. I can't wait to try this out. This assortment of fishes and egg. See me some mentaiko, some prawn roll, sesame seeds.
And we have here the snow donburi beef bowl.
With bean sprouts. This, last but not least, is the Volcano
Beef bowl.
Volcano
beef bowl.
Beef bowl with
Volcano
mixed
beef
veggie.
bowl.
That's what I said.
Mangkok volcano bowl.
Okay. Okay. Let's start with the salmon softy. Oh, the tuna looks good. The sashimi.
Yeah. The swordfish is good.
It's good?
I mean, yeah, I tried swordfish at so many places. It sucks. But this one is good.
Okay.
It's good.
Okay, let me tell you what I think about the tuna, okay?
No. Got it? Can. Say something, human.
No. I want to enjoy this thick slice of tuna. Wow.
Okay. Going for the salmon now. The salmon.
This is some good sashimi, guys.
Put in. Alright. It melts in your mouth.
Oh, is it now?
Yeah.
What is this? Pickled ginger, right?
Pickled ginger, yes.
Okay, no? Okay. I like to eat my sashimi with this pickled ginger, pink ginger.
Too much ginger.
Guys, their sashimi are really good. Yeah, no regrets. If you are craving for some sashimi, yeah. Ooh, yeah.
That's it. Oh, no, I just get it first.
I'm really liking this bara chirashi don. Really good. So it's like an assortment of fresh seafood, and then they top it off with prawn roll, mentaiko, eggs, cucumbers, sesame, and then they broil it, and then they drizzle the, I believe it's their light soy sauce, and wow, just a burst of flavor. That's the umami bomb right there. It's really good.
It's light, delicious. There's a burst of flavors in it. Yeah. It's good. It's good for lunch. Just very light lunch. It's good for light lunch. Okay, I have here some rice, some beef, salmon. I'm gonna try it now. I'm so confused.
Why? What happened though? I'm here for you. Guys, yeah. Please be there, be here for those of you sub.
I'm so confused.
Right.
I'll let you try.
How about you use your other hand?
No, you take it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, that's a light warning.
It's going everywhere.
Suddenly you want surrender, come on.
And that's how good it is. Okay, this is a light warning. Like there's 3 levels of spiciness. There's 0, 1 and 2. Those who can't handle spiciness, take 0. The spiciness is no joke. Water.
Seriously, it's super spicy for you.
I got mine. Brown sugar milk tea.
Okay. This is their
Just some little dab.
their hot sauce, yeah. So like if you want your dish to be super spicy, I believe you mix everything up. Yeah, so I don't like it spicy, so I avoided eating the hot sauce with the curry. The curry is a bit on the sour side. It's not really my thing. Like, how you find it? Do you love it? Do you like it?
It tastes like normal curry. Only that the spiciness level kicks in. The spiciness.
Okay.
Okay,
But
next.
portion wise, yeah, it's a lot.
Feeling.
Yeah, everything is good.
Right.
There's shabu shabu beef. There's mixed cabbage and rice and
I'll tell you what I want. What I really want.
it's spicy.
Told you.
It's not really spicy. It's more on the sweet side, but there's a strong chili taste to it, but it's not spicy.
This is only spicy. There's no levels of spiciness. It just informs you that it's spicy. Or the levels of spiciness is from the beef, the salmon beef. You can choose from 0 to 2. This is much more spicier than this one. Okay, I'm gonna try the snow beef. It's beef covered in Parmesan cheese with bean sprouts and rice.
Ooh, it looks good.
Yeah, oh yeah. Nah, then no.
After you,
Okay, for those who love cheese, this is the one. This is the one. So good. The crunchiness of the bean sprout, the beef, and the cheese. Oh,
have you tried mine?
the one.
Okay. Okay.
So good.
You try mine, and I'll try yours. You know what I mean? Okay.
Got it? Yeah.
Food
Sure.
bang.
I say that it's sweet. This is sweet. A bit spicy. The cabbage adds the crunch to it. It's nice. Very
Okay.
savory.
Yeah.
Very savory.
Yeah. So if you are thinking of getting the beef bowl mountain, you have a choice of either getting yourself cabbage or bean sprouts. Yeah, both are crunchy, both are tasty.
If you ask me personally,
Yeah,
I'll get the bean sprout.
okay, but I didn't ask.
Emphasize on the if.
Okay.
Sushi.
It's best if you follow their social media, either Facebook or Instagram. So there's like 3 parts of the day. If you come down to their shop, and there's like 10%, 20%, 30% off their a la carte dishes.
Yeah. Currently we came at 4 p.m. so there's the 30% discount.
If I were to come here again, I would definitely get myself their sashimi and their barachirashi don. How about you, dude?
For my
I know
favorite,
you didn't ask, but let me ask you this. Which one of these dishes is your favorite?
I'm just touched that you asked. Alright, my favorite is the snow beef with cheese. So good, I'm a cheese lover, so this is the one for me.
So far, everything's good.
Yeah.
Except the curry. I didn't like the curry. I don't know why. You have to try it for yourself. So guys, thus, these 2 dishes deserve the PaperFilm praise.